Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Citizen Quartz watch. This is going to work for most Quartz watches, especially if you do not have any date complication. All you need to do is to pull the crown to the last position. So we are going to grab it and pull it all the way. Since we do not have a date complication, we do not need to worry about the first and second position. Then we are going to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction. You need to see whether your watch crown needs to be rotated in a clockwise direction or counterclockwise. After you have set the time, let's say we have set the time, simply push the crown all the way back in and you are done. You have set the time on your Citizen Quartz watch. This tutorial is going to work for all Quartz watches, just like this one, so the basic Quartz watches with no other complications. If you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.